Empty workshop table. Orange light sweeps in. Metallic dust particles begin swirling into formation. Rear subframe and suspension links materialize in brushed aluminum. VIN numbers stamped clearly. Front chassis welds to rear. Orange sparks cool to gray. Audi rings emboss on crossmember. Glacier white body shell fades in. Orange highlights trace the beltline crease. Hood and trunk open. Empty engine bay reveals mounting brackets and spare tire well. Doors fade away. B-pillar glows orange. A6 sill plates screw into position. Magnesium dashboard frame lowers onto firewall. Vents rotate open. Wiring conduits glow blue. Audi A6 title forms in brushed aluminum. Chrome text floats above rotating car. Single frame grille explodes into 6 slats. Honeycomb mesh and Quattro logo separate. Cutaway reveals active shutters and electric motors. Shutters close 90% for drag reduction. Grille cycles fully open, partially closed, fully sealed. Orange LEDs blink in sequence. Grille dimensions, 72 centimeters wide. Active shutter response time, 0.3 seconds. Matrix LED housing explodes. 32 modules float above aluminum heatsink fins. Micro mirror array inside lens. Thermal paste connects chip to 1 millimeter squared LED. Low beam projects anti-glare cutoff. DRL strip pulses sequentially. Adaptive LED corrects flicker. Lumen output 1200. Color temperature 6000 Kelvin. Beam distance 300 meters. V6 TDI engine explodes. 6 pistons rise. Crankshaft and cylinder head separate from oil pan. Engine cycles intake, compression, power, exhaust. Crankshaft rotates. Harmonic balancer stabilizes. Displacement 2,967 cc. 286 horsepower. 620 newton meters. 8-speed Tiptronic explodes. Torque converter, 3 planetary sets, and valve body separate. Hydraulic fluid flows through valve body. Shift solenoids press clutch packs. Gear ratio changes. Transmission shifts 1st to 4th to 8th. Shift time 0.2 seconds. Output speed rises. Gear ratios 4.71, 1.14, 0.67. Torque capacity 700 newton meters. Quattro Ultra transfer case separates. Carbon fiber drive shaft splits. Rear differential opens. Pinion meshes with crown wheel. Power splits to side gears. Wet clutch engages for all-wheel drive. Power distribution 100% front, 50-50 split, 85% rear. Clutch engages visibly. Torque split ratios from 100-0 to 0-100. Clutch response 0.1 seconds. 4 air suspension struts materialize. Air springs, damper pistons, and central compressor assemble. Cutaway shows rubber bellow layers. Compressed air fills chamber. Damper piston moves through oil. Ride height cycles dynamic, auto, lift modes. Front strut compresses over virtual bump. Rear extends. Ground clearance 10 to 15 centimeters. Air pressure 0 to 15 bar. Load capacity 600 kilograms. Electric motor windings spin worm gear. 50 to 1 reduction. Hall sensor reads shaft angle. Low speed. Rear wheels turn opposite. Turning circle shrinks. High speed. Rear wheels turn same direction. Rear steering angle plus or minus 5 degrees. Speed threshold 60 kilometers per hour. Response 0.1 seconds. MMI touch system explodes. Upper 10.1 inch and lower 8.6 inch displays separate. Finger press creates orange ripple. Digitizer detects coordinate. Haptic motor vibrates 50 to 100 hertz. Holographic hand pinches to zoom on upper screen, writes letter on lower. Haptic buzzes on every touch. Screen resolution 1540 by 720, 1000 nits brightness, 10-point touch. All parts reassemble in reverse. Screens snap back. Struts retract. Engine layers collapse. Body solidifies. Audi A6 drives on virtual highway. Adaptive beams sweep. Quattro sends power. Rain hits windshield. Spec summary. V6 TDI, Quattro Ultra, adaptive air suspension, all-wheel steering, MMI touch. Orange highlight sweeps left to right. Audi rings fade. Workshop retracts. Final silhouette dissolves.